Back around to whoever that is at the entrance. Stop! Stop! Man, do not move!
Alright, hold her. If you got her, hold her up there.
Put your hands on top of your head! Do not move!
Come on, over here. Over here.
Get both hands up!
Ma'am.
Come
Ma'am.
back,
Okay, come out, ma'am.
Show me your hand. You dumb motherfucker.
Show me your hand. Come out. Come on out. Are you the only one in there?
Can't see the other hands.
You are?
I'm God, bitch.
Okay, well, come on. Come on out.
What the hell?
Stay sweet. You get taser.
This house is on fire. Burn this motherfucker.
I got her.
Taser! Taser! Taser!
I can't bust through the window.
But you got anything to bust it?
No, I know. Get an ass on you?
Nope.
Did someone bust the fucking window out? Watch out. Get the... Hey, get the window.
Do not move! I can't see her at all.
She's down in the floorboard.
She moving?
No, I'm going down. Hang on. Let me cover you. Okay. Let me cover you.
Get the door. Get the door.
Got less sleep on you.
This is a post pursuit.
Pull out. Pull out.
Give me your fucking hands right now.
Okay.
They have not advised that.
Berapa?